Good afternoon, guys. Welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle. The fourth and last puzzle is a jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic in Dutch. They call it cipher block in Japanese, Suguru. In the weekend edition of Saturday, Sunday, August the 3rd, 2024. It's today, actually Sunday. And I've already solved three puzzles, the 3-star Sudoku, 4-star Sudoku, and the binary. So it's time now for the Jigsaw Sudoku. Jigsaw Sudoku number. This will be number 9027. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has a lot, 16 printed digits. The hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. This one has 16 printed digits. I think could be a 0 stars, could be a 1 star. For 1-star puzzle, I need to be faster than 50 minutes. If it's a 0 stars, I need to be faster than 14, maybe 13 minutes. Alright. Question is this a 0 stars or 1-star puzzle? But the publisher has indicated with 4 stars. For 4 stars puzzle, 30 minutes or more. Alright, so let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always a 1. Only one single box here. Always a 1. Next question, do we have here dual boxes? I see here dual box, there dual box contains the 1 and the 2. Well, the 2 is already given, so this box should be a 1. Here, I do not know in which order, so let me mark those two boxes, 1 and the 2. Next question, do we have here triple boxes? Contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. No triple boxes here. How about quadro boxes? I see here quadro box, there quadro box. Contains the 1, the 2, 3, and the 4. Well, here I cannot fill those numbers. But when you see a quadro box in the L shape, remember that the inside box, this is the inside box, is always 5. Okay. Here we have also a quadro box. These two boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So one box left for the 1 in this quadro box should be there. And the other numbers could be everywhere. My next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, the T shape. Let me draw the T shape here. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box, so this box has the same number as that box, but also that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. In this case, it's a 1 here. Alright. And one box left in this dual box for the number 2. Okay. Do we have more T shapes? No. Then the following shape. How about this shape? The S construction. Let me draw this here. When you see the S construction, if you flip this, if you rotate this, you will see the S. And when you mirror this or flip this, then we'll get the Z shape. It's the same shape. Alright, when you see the S construction, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. But also that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. Okay. We have only one Z, or in this case S construction. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Now let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. We have more of this kind of shape, not only one. Then the following shape. How about this shape, the L shape? Let me draw the L shape here. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more L shapes? Nope. Then the following shape, this shape. Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 2 here. Alright. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shapes. Maximum 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 5 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. These are 3 boxes. Surround the one can be a 1. Those 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Supposed to be here. Then let me see. Come on. These are 3 boxes. Surround the 1 can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this W area shape. Supposed to be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this L-shaped area. Supposed to be here. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. Those 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Supposed to be there. This box can be 1. That box can be 1. And this box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Supposed to be here. These 2 boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Supposed to be there. Then let me see. Well. Let me think. These 2 boxes can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area. Supposed to be there. 2 numbers left for the numbers 1 and a 4. 1 and a 4. Then this box can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. This box can be 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. It's not helping me here. Okay, this box can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Well. This box can be 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. I think this box should be a 4, because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3. Should be a 4, can be a 5. We have a double 5 there, yes. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 5, 2 and 5. Okay. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, we have a double 2 there, can be 3, should be a 4, can be 5, we have a double 5 there, yes. Definitely a 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 3. Let me mark those 2 and 3. 2 and 3 is connected with that box, should be 2 and 3, but we already have a 3 there, so it can be 3 there. Should be a 2 is connected with that box, should be so 2. 1 box left in this area for number 3. 2 to 5, we have a 2 now, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 5 goes there. Mark those 2 boxes earlier with a 5. We have a 5 now, so this box can be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3. And the 4, we have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and a 3 goes there. Alright, these 2 boxes can be 2, so 1 box left with 2 in this. Oh no, we already have a 2 here. I almost made a mistake. Okay, now, let me think. These 3 boxes surround the 4 can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. Let me see. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. We need to go up. Okay. This box can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Right. Come on. This box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Come on. Need to fill some numbers here. 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5. 1, 2, 4, 3, or 5. Come on. This box can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. That means that those two boxes can be 4. We have a double 4 there. And this box can be a 4. So the only place left for the 4 in this area is supposed to be here. Is connected with that box. Should be also 4. Okay, so 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 5. Let me mark those 2 and 5. 2 and 5, okay. Yeah. Come on. This box can be a 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. 1, 2, 4. Need a 4 there. Let me think. These two boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Now we have a double 1 there. That means that this box can be a 1 anymore. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those two boxes. So the only place left for the 1 in this area is supposed to be there. So 2 numbers left for numbers 2 and 5. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 5 goes there. 2 and a 5, we have a 2 now, no 2 there. 2 should be here, 5 goes there. These two boxes can be 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this area is supposed to be here. And I've eliminated here the 3, so 3 goes there. So 1 digit left in this area for number 4. Mark those two boxes earlier with a 4. We have a 4 now, so this box can be 4 anymore. That box will be a 4. These two boxes can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there then. Alright. These two boxes can be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there then. Okay, interesting. Well, this box can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. Now we have a double 4 there. That means that this box can't be 4 anymore. If I place a 4 here, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those two boxes. So the only place left for the 4 in this area is supposed to be here. 1 box left in this area for number 1. Then, let me see. These two boxes can be 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. Well. Come on. These two boxes can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. That means that this box can be a 1. We have a double 1 there. And that box can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. That means we have a double 1 here. That means that this box can't be a 1 anymore. If I place 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those two boxes. The only place left for the 1 in this area is supposed to be there. Then 2 numbers left for numbers 2 and 3. 2 and 3. Is connected with that box, which is 2 and a 3, but we already have a 3 here, so it can't be 3 anymore. This box should be a 2, is connected with that box, should be so 2. 1 box left in this area for number 3. Alright, this box can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. Yeah, I need to think. Well, I've marked those two boxes earlier with a 2. We have a 2 now, so this box can't be 2 anymore. That box will be 2, and I've eliminated here the 3, so the 3 goes there. 1 box left in this quarter box for number 4 is connected with that box, so we saw 4. 2 numbers left in this S construction for the numbers 3 and the 5. Let me mark those, 3 and 5. Alright. Well, this box can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, so 2 numbers left, 4 and a 5. Here also can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, also 4 and a 5, so 1 digit left in this W area shape for number 3. Alright. I think this box should be a 5, because can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. Okay, so this box can't be 5 anymore. Okay, we need a 3 here. Let me think. I think this box should be a 5, because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely 5. 4 and a 5, we have a 5 now, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and 4 goes, and there. This, wait. 3 and a 5, okay. These two boxes can be 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. That means that that box can be a 3. We have a double 3 there. So the 3 could be here, could be there. And I need a 2 here. Well, we have a double 2 there. That means that this box can be 2. So the 2 goes together with the 4 as a pair. So I've eliminated here the 3. So the 3 goes here. These two boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3, supposed to be here. And I've eliminated the other one, so the 1 goes there. So 1 digit left should be the 2, is connected with that box, should be also a 2. 2 and a 4, we have a 2 now, no 2 there, 2 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area for us, 3 and a 5. Let me mark those, 3 and a 5. Okay. Well, these 3 boxes surround the 2 can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area, supposed to be here. And I've eliminated the other 1, so the 1 goes there. 2 numbers left, 4 numbers, 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. Yeah. Yeah. Also 3 and a 5. Well. Well. These 2 boxes can be a 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. Now we have a double 3 there. That means that this box can be 3 and more. That box should be a 3. And this box should be a 5. Alright. I think this box should be a 3 because can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 3. 3 and a 5, we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 and more. That box should be a 3, and this box should be a 5. 3 and a 5, we have a 3 now, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 5 goes there. This box can be 2, that box can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area, supposed to be there. And I've eliminated here the 1, so the 1 goes there, so 1 digit left in this area for number 4. These 2 boxes can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this quadra box should be there. 2 numbers left for numbers 1 and 2. We have 2 now, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 1 goes there, finish in 16 minutes. Well, not the 4. Not the 3. Let me give this a 2 stars. I'm not faster than 50 minutes. Not pleased, but we solved it again. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it to solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in the evening with the Samurai Sudoku. So have a great and fantastic Sunday. Until then, bye-bye for now.